start.
Go.
I'm like terrified to do this, dude.
Oh!
Oh my god, dude.
Holy crap.
Fuck.
This is messed up. Oh! My nail!
Oh no!
How do I fix this? I'm scared.
It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. That's mine.
Okay.
That's my new one.
Hold up!
What the fuck? He's good at it. I don't know how.
I'm not afraid!
Wait, I gotta fix your fucking nail, dude. Oh my god, it's like soft now.
Are you being safe?
Yep.
Charlie,
Absolutely.
I want someone else to reply.
Whatever.
Nicholas.
Wow, this really makes it harder.
This is way harder.
A lot.
Ooh, that was a good hit.
Hang out.
Not me.
Nobody. All I did was cut myself.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I just bent both of them.
Dude,
I know.
this makes it much harder.
Pass it around.